name is Lars Ake Mattsson, and I work at a company called Lindab. Lindab is an old company, 50 years old this year, and we work with mainly steel. And our company is divided into different parts. One of them is ventilation, and that part is in two parts, actually. It's air duct system, that is the duct system, where my major area is, and also the comfort area. The comfort area is how to blow in the air into the room. The other part is building components and building systems. And building components, that is how to produce all the parts for a metal house or for metal parts in the house. So our customers can make a really, really good building. We also have this building system that is complete building made from Lindab that is maybe erected by someone else. But anyhow, the full solution is then made by Lindab. So that is a building solution. And I'm quite proud to be here, and I thank you all for bringing all this knowledge. And I think that Lindab is very tight to this topic that we are talking about, because we also have this build tight, ventilate right. We have the buildings, we have the ventilation, and we have driving forces upon us that is very similar, and we have put them together here. We have the Kyoto Agreement, we have the Energy Performance in Buildings Directive. We work a lot with national laws and building directives, and of course we have our own way of living and how to do this and how to really create a good environment to bring this to the market. As I said before, we have a lot of solutions, we have a lot of products, and they are quite good. And if I have seen here before, a lot of people have the solution. The designer has the solution, we have the solution, our competitors maybe have the solution. But the problem is to actually communicate through the whole organization and make it happen. So we have created IT solutions, and that is a quite powerful tool to really see that it's working from the designer, the purchaser, the erecting company. And all of them have the same information, they have the correct drawings, they have the same way of doing it. So I think this is the real problem within our business, that we don't communicate between the people. And I think the IT solutions is one of the major parts. That one, that is very important. Every part and detail solved already in the project design. And they are. So we only need to have that happen, so it will be complete in the afternoon. Here is a little part that we have that is very unknown. Almost everybody asks, how long have you had that part? And we have had it for 10 years. It's how to penetrate a roof or a wall, and this very simple rubber manchet to put over the duct. Nobody has seen it, even though we have promoted it for years. We have also for the building components a lot of instructions, and I think these instructions are the most important things that we have, and we must promote them better so our customers read them and understand them. Because the solutions are there, the steel beams are there, the insulation is there, the vapor barrier is there, only how to put them together. That is a big problem. Same goes for junction between exterior wall and floor. The solution for unbroken vapor barrier. All of the things are there already. And here comes the instructions. They are a whole book looking like this, very easy to understand. But how many of you have opened, when you buy a television, how many open the manual? So that is a great opportunity for us to bring it out and to educate people. If we go to the ventilation system, it's a very complicated task, and we have all the solutions, and the designer has all the solutions. They have our program, so they actually can test a real system for flow, pressure drop, sound, no, not fire, but anyhow. They can test most of the parts that is very interesting when we're talking about energy. This is the width of our solution. You can't see what it is, but it's a lot of things. It's diffusers over here. It's how to erect them and how to hang them. It's vents and T-pieces. It's chill beams, how to chill a building. All of them. And all of them we can have in our program and know the technical data around it. This is also very special, and you saw that yesterday down in the lobby. It's air tightness tester, and this is a very simple thing to have to the installer so he can test if it's airtight or not, and that makes him a little bit more powerful. And it also brings some new things to the installing people. And I believe that this machine has made a difference because they feel then that they have more technical things to do, and they rise a little bit in their whole attitude towards being better. So this is actually what I've talked about the whole time. We have a gap between the knowledge, the designer, and what actually will happen out in the field. And we believe that education is a very central thing. Good solutions, of course, but we need to talk about our good solutions and need to inform about how to use them. Good drawings, because I think the drawings today are not perfect. The designer knows exactly how to do it, but then it's presented in a 2D way, and it's not communicating very well to those who is going to correct it. Then the most important part, communication, and that's the most difficult part as well. How to communicate with our customers. Precise offers, that is also very well, and as we heard yesterday from United States, the set demands also that if it's not airtight, you have to redo it. You have to redo it, and then you have to have precise offers. You need to have exact things that you are talking about, so you actually know what to do and what's expected of you. Because otherwise, we won't have airtight solutions. We won't have reach our target. Okay, thank you.